Before you buy the R15 in 2026, answer one question. Do you want a sport bike or do you want attention? Because most people buying the R15 are not buying performance. They are buying the image of performance. In this video, I am breaking down who should buy the R15 and who will regret it within 6 months. And stay till the end because I'll tell you the exact type of rider who should never buy this bike. Let's talk numbers first. 155cc liquid-cooled engine with VVA, around 18 to 18.5 PS, 6 gearbox with slipper clutch. On paper, impressive for a 155cc. On the road, it depends on what you're comparing it to. If you're upgrading from 100 to 125cc, this will feel fast. If you've ridden a 200 or 250cc, it won't. The power kicks in properly after 7000 RPM. Below that, it feels calm, controlled, almost commuter-like. It's refined, it's smooth, but it's not explosive. Cruising at 90 to 100 km per hour, comfortable. Cross 110 km per hour, the engine starts working harder. This is a high-revving precision machine, not a torque-heavy street fighter. So ask yourself, do you enjoy revving an engine or do you want effortless pull from low RPM? Now let's talk about the part influencers avoid. This is not a comfortable motorcycle. Clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, aggressive riding posture. In city traffic, your wrists will feel pressure. In bumper-to-bumper traffic, especially in cities like Mumbai, you will feel the heat and posture strain. Can it do long rides? Yes. Will your back and neck remind you it's a super sport? Also yes. If your daily commute is 15 to 25 kilometers in traffic, this bike will slowly test your patience. This machine is built for weekend rides, spirited highway runs, and corner-focused riding. Not grocery runs, not relaxed office commuting. Here's where emotions enter the chat. The R15 looks premium. And premium design means higher replacement costs. Full fairing damage? Expensive. Headlight assembly? Expensive. Side panels? Expensive. Not 400cc expensive, but definitely more than a naked 150 or 160cc bike. Engine reliability is strong if maintained well. Yamaha engines are known for consistency, but one fall in traffic and your repair bill won't feel entry level. If you're stretching your budget or buying it purely on EMI, be honest with yourself about long-term costs. Who should buy it? Buy the R15 if you genuinely love aggressive riding posture. You enjoy high-revving engines. You want sharp handling and cornering confidence. You understand it's a small-capacity supersport. Buy it for the riding experience, not for validation. Who should avoid it? If comfort is your priority, if you ride daily in heavy traffic, if you prefer low-end torque, if you want relaxed cruising, if you're buying it mainly because it looks big. If practicality and comfort matter more, a naked 160 or 200cc bike may suit you better. The R15 in 2026 is not outdated. It's misunderstood. It's not a commuter. It's not a budget superbike. It's a focused, sharp, small-capacity sport machine. If your expectations match its purpose, you'll love it. If your expectations are based on Instagram Reels, you'll complain. Don't buy it for appearance. Buy it for alignment with your riding style.